Alright, so I'm going to start off with the truck. Alright, so we can use notes. So I got notes, not a script. The whole thing is a truck, so we can pick up, and then you can say right here the door is puerta, and then the bumper, which is right here, defensa. And I'm sure there's a bed liner in there, so we could put a platon there. And then the bed of the truck. I don't know how to say it. I think it's like caja del platon. And then back seats. Oh, wait, we can say back door. Okay, right here, back door. That would be Puerta Teresa. And then I'm sure there's an exhaust pipe over here. There it is. There's escape. And then engine would be here. That would just be motor. What are you up to now? 6 maybe? And then fuel tank is probably on the other side. We'll just pretend it's right there, and we'll just say Tanga de gasolina. And then front door is Puerta de Lorenta. I'm sure there's a speedometer in there, so it's probably Valencia. Oh no, not Valencia. That is a filter from Instagram. Velocimetro. Then the wheel is Volantre. The tire, Volantre. Or no, then 2 L's is Y, so that'd be Yante. And trunk, Bow. Then hood, Bow. Alright, I think that's 10. And then we'll just go on to home plans. So we gotta do 6. So I'm gonna say 1 as a whole, that's casa. And then so bedroom, which is right here. Yeah, 1 bedroom. So we could say master bedroom, cuarto. And then the kitchen is over here, and it's cocina. Doesn't look like there's a basement, so we'll skip over that one. Living room over here, sala. And then like those are windows. We could say ventana. And door over here. That's a puerta. These are laundry room. No, there's a bathroom, so we could say baña. I think that's 6. We'll do 2 more just for. Oh, stairs. I know how to say stairs. That is. We'll skip on to closet. Closet, which is right over here. That is closet. Oh, and dining room is comedor. Alright, that is 6. Then we're supposed to describe people. Alright, it shows Jim from the office. Ellis Alto. And then pale, his hair. Cafe. And then we can just go up here. And then we can go. Bam. Here we go. Pan from the office. Palo Rojo. And then you can also say Bonita. There we go. That works. Then one more person. And do Dwight. And then Dwight has glasses. So see, I did write a couple notes on here. So Los Antios. He has glasses, and then also pale cafe for him. See his brown hair. All right, pretty sure I got everything on there.